Marry, fuck, or kill. Maxwell, Oprah, and R. Kelly.
Marry Oprah.
Okay.
I would fuck Maxwell and I would kill R. Kelly.
See,
That was
weird.
super easy.
Kind of
like
weird.
I'm marrying
because
Oprah, $1 billion bitch. $1 billion
marry Oprah, then
bitch.
divorce her and get alimony. Then go back and marry Maxwell.
Me and her we gonna be together forever. That's my pussy.
Me and
But see,
Oprah
while
gonna
I'm
ride
married
out
to Oprah,
to
Maxwell gonna be the
part.
pool boy.
That's my pussy. Me and Oprah together forever.
My pussy. Till death do us part.
Till death do us
part.
I
just smash Oprah just to be like, bitch, I fucked $1 billion.
Wait, will Oprah do Stedman come with
you a Mary Maxwell?
Stedman and Gail come with Oprah?
Oh
look,
no!
wait. What's your Mary fuck? What's your Mary fuck kill? Choose. More pussy management.
Marry Oprah and fuck R. Kelly and just kill Maxwell.
Like you know this thing for R. Kelly gonna be good.
So after all of this,
R. Kelly gonna be
I know it's bad. I know.
But it's true. It's the truth though.
I don't know because
he a freak.
I would want to be with Maxwell though. I want to be with Maxwell, but
he a freak. He's a freak. That's his choice.
Are you gonna call R. Kelly from jail? Are you gonna write him?
Baby,
he gonna suck that dick in a halfway house.
Y'all can have phone sex for a while.
Oh, I'm marrying Oprah. Trust and believe.
Does she come with Stedman and Gail? Like if you marry Oprah, does it come with Stedman and Gail?
Shit, I think like accessories that you get with a Barbie. I will fuck Maxwell because like Maxwell, just someone he will come on the screen and do something to me like he had that Lenny Kravitz vibes, and so and R. Kelly. I mean, I'd hate to kill him, but shit, if we had to choose, well then he got to go.
Hello.
But if I ever fuck Oprah, she got to keep her face on. Because she can't come up in here color purplish and shit like that. That's not going the fucks down.
Okay, I'm live. Did you say Oprah can't fuck up with the color purple face? Bitch, I'm dead.
I know nobody got Oprah on a makeup commercial. Because if you ever want to know what makeup can do for somebody, do it before and after.
Woman in viral video coughing on cancer patient arrested. Deborah Hunter faces assault charges for allegedly deliberately coughing in the face of a woman at the St. John's Town Center in a video that drew national scorn. Jacksonville, Florida, a woman who deliberately coughed on someone at Pier 1 in a video that went viral, arrested for assault just over a week ago. Moving on.
Do you really need this? What do you want to do? Post it for you? How about that? Good. I think I'll get real close to you and cough on you then. How's that?
Oh,
asshole.
Wow. No way.
Baby, I will backhand that hoe. I will backhand that hoe. She will be straight backhand. Nah. As soon as she comes in my face, I'd have backhand that hoe immediately.
She has to go. She has to die. Like, there's no other choice, but she has to die.
I would choke the shit out of her.
Bro, oh, that's what's going on. They heated. Pier 1 is closing down.
That reminds me, I need to go get a couple of things from the Pier 1.
Yeah, they closing down, so that's what's going on. She heated because they closing down and shit like that.
I don't care if you lukewarm or cold. You walked up and decided to cough. Your throat needs to come out of your body.
Bruise that esophagus.
And not in a good way.
But yeah, she needs to be like, she needs to be set straight for that. That is crazy. Like, people are not taking this shit serious enough. They don't understand that this shit is putting people on their ass and in their grave. Oh my God, that lady just went up and coughed on her.
You know what's killing me in these videos though?
I will put my foot up her ass.
Why are people? Why it kills me that people are more so concerned of recording it than tapping that ass.
To be honest,
she going about it the right way. I'm glad they didn't fight it because she would have went to. They would have went to jail too. She would have went
She's
to
a
jail
cancer
too.
patient.
They would have put. Let me tell you something. They don't care. I was in jury duty with a female who was level 4 cancer patient. They don't give a fuck about putting you in jail because you're a cancer patient.
I'll beat your ass.
You know what I'm saying? So I would love to see her ass get tapped, but she's getting the worst punishment. She's gonna go. She's in jail. So now she's gonna come out with COVID, gonorrhea, syphilis, what's the other stuff? Mono,
IBS.
Her herpes gonna flare up now. All of that. She just gonna she gonna have what they call the works.
And I thank God that he don't put me in those certain situations. I'm thankful I'm not in those type of situations because I know my temper and I know how I react.
What you would have did, bro? What you would have did? Here, let's practice.
First of all, as soon as your mouth opens.
Wait a motherfucking minute. Wait a fucking minute. Rub a food item on your genitals, then eat it. You gotta rub it on there good now. You gotta make sure you get some residue. Rub under the nutsack.
Oh shit! Where you come from?
Damn.
Do it one more time. Rub it in there one more time so we can get it good.
Fuck you, nigga. You saw me rubbing it, bro.
Do you smell your pubes on there or no? Because if you don't smell your pubes, you ain't do a good job.
I smell that boy's saliva on it. Now you go walk to the kitchen, B.rose, get some mayonnaise, finger yourself with it, then suck it off. And I don't mean Miracle Whip, I mean mayonnaise.